Let's talk about the invisible system that controls heat in, well, pretty much everything around us. Ever wonder how your oven just knows it's at 400 degrees? It's not magic. It's brilliant engineering. It all comes down to a constant chat between two things, sensors and controllers. Let's start with the sensors. Here's the thing. Sensors don't actually feel heat. They just measure a physical property that changes with it. Basically, sensors come in two main types, those that have to touch what they're measuring and those that don't.
For the ones that do make contact, engineers have a whole toolkit. Different tools for different jobs, you know?
And here are the big three, the workhorses of the industry: thermocouples, RTDs, and thermistors. This shows the trade-offs perfectly. You're always choosing between a sensor's range, its accuracy, or its sensitivity. So if you need to measure something crazy hot or crazy cold, thermocouples are almost always your go-to. But when accuracy is everything, you want an RTD. They're absolutely critical for super precise industrial control.
And for the tech in your pocket, thermistors are sensitive enough to protect tiny things like CPUs and batteries.
Okay, so we've got our measurement. Now, how does it actually do anything? Well, enter the controller. This whole system works in a loop. The sensor talks to the controller, which then tells an actuator what to do. It's a really simple but powerful feedback loop. You measure, you compare it to the goal, and then you act. So yeah, the controller is the brain of the operation. Its whole job is to hit that target temperature, or set point. But not all controllers think alike. The strategy really depends on just how precise you need to be. You've got simple on-off control, and then the smarter proportional control, and they work very differently. On-off is kind of like your basic home thermostat. It works, but it causes these big temperature swings. Proportional control is way smarter. It eases up as it gets close, so you get nice, stable, accurate heat. And you find this system everywhere, from making cars and food to managing that tiny CPU in your phone. So from our phones to giant factories, this tech is silently working all around us, keeping things just right. Which makes you wonder, as this tech gets even smarter, what's going to be next for temperature control?
Namaste. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.